Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Menika. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great and you all are practicing your English in a great way. So today I come with another topic of practicing English. So before we start the session, I just want to request all of you guys, make sure watch this video till the very end. So let's dive into the session. So basically what is the today topic? The topic is very simple. How to start speaking. Yes, this is the today topic. Being a beginner, being a beginner, we have a lots of illusion in our head. We are in dilemma, and we start doing lots of things apart from speaking. So what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Okay, being a beginner, how to start speaking and what are the basic things you should follow. Okay, so you have to do only one thing. Sorry, you have to do only two things, not one. You have to follow only two steps if you want to speak English. Okay, so what are the two steps? I will explain later on. Okay, so because being a beginner, we start doing lots of things. We start reading book, we start watching video, we start writing, and watching multiple number of videos on different platform. Okay, but we are not focused on speaking. So what you have to do, because in initial days we always think about our mistake, our weakness. Most of the time we just focus the weakness area, yeah, and we are just giving, you can say, excuse, and making excuse in front of people. I am very poor in English, I am feeling very shy to speak English, I am afraid of making mistake, what they think about my broken English. So what you have to do, let me tell you. If you are a beginner, if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to become a good in communicator, so what you have to do is you have to follow only two steps. Okay, and what are the first step is you have to listen a lot. Yes, if you don't know grammar rule, it's okay. If you don't know, if you're not interested reading books, it's okay. If you're not interested accumulating the words, it's okay. But what you have to do, you have to listen a lot. More you listen, better you able to articulate your thought. More you listen, better you able to express your thought. More you listen, better you able to understand. Okay, so what you have to do, being a beginner, you have to pick any kind of podcast, any kind of videos. There are ample and ample number of content available on YouTube. So you have to pick according to your own ability. Don't select according to others people they suggested, because they are suggesting their own experience, their own label. But you know yourself very well, you know your strength, you know your weakness. So first you have to pick the videos, you have to pick the podcast according to your own abilities, your own level, according to your own knowledge, where you are standing in this time. Like if you, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा बिगनर्स हैं, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो आपको छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स सीखना चाहिए, है ना। टू वर्ड्स वाले सेंटेंस देखने चाहिए, बेसिक वर्ड्स को कैसे यूज करते हैं। तो इस तरह का वीडियोस आपको बार बार रिपीटेड मोड में देखना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू वॉच दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियो अगेन एंड अगेन when word will not come in your head. Okay, so according to your ability, according to your level, you have to find, and then you have to watch, then you have to listen, and more. And the second task, and that is final task, you have to speak. Because without speaking, how you will consider yourself, I want to become and I want to speak English fluently. Okay, थोड़ी सी सर्दी लग रही है। ओके, सो आपको करना क्या है, आपको बोलना चाह रहे हैं ना, आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट। it doesn't matter if you have a simple words, yeah, small words, you can use those words. You can use, at least you can try to speak, and you can just what I say, analyze yourself, है ना? Are you able to use those words in your conversation? Are you able to make frame? Are you able to form the sentence while using those words, sentences in your conversation? You can check yourself. Okay, don't run behind the fancy word, advanced word, yeah. And every day, no need to learn new words. Whatever you learn in a particular video, you can take pause and start speaking again and again. While speaking, you can overlook, you can ignore your silly mistake, because all the time, if you will focus on your mistake, if you are just rectifying your mistake every time, so very easily you will get demotivated, and very easily you will get frustrated of your performance. So you sometimes you have to overlook, and you have to accept it. Mistakes are part of this journey. Okay, mistakes are very common thing, because no one is perfect here. Everyone learn by mistake. So you have to embrace your mistake and then go ahead, and don't ask with others. Don't ask your don't depend on others for your validation and for your performance. We generally take a review while recording video, then we send our friends and any other family member. Okay, and then we say, you can check it, and where I'm standing, you can check I'm doing mistake or not, and what should I have to do, because it's your initial stage. In this time you are learning, so how is possible without mistake you will start learning, है ना? तो आप दूसरों को क्यों वीडियो भेज रहे हो, दूसरों को क्यों बोल रहे हो कि आप मेरे को चेक करो? आपको खुद पता ना कि मैं मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ। यस, जब हम गलती करते हैं तो मेरा दिल ये कह देता है कि हाँ आप गलत कर रहे हो, है ना? और मुझे एहसास अपने आप में हो जाता है हम लोगों को कि आप यहाँ गलत कर रहे हो, आपको इस पे वर्क करना है। आप जान रहे हो, फिर भी दूसरों से क्यों पूछना है? नहीं पूछना है आपको, आपको उस पर वर्क करना है। ओके, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर मिस्टेक। ठीक है, तो आई होप यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। तो आपको क्या करना है, बीइंग अ बिगनर, बस दो चीज़ों पर फोकस करना है, एक तो लिसनिंग और दूसरी है हमारा स्पीकिंग। बिना स्पीकिंग, बिना मुंह खोले आप कैसे इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं? सो एनी हाउ यू हैव टू स्पीक, वेदर यू आर डूइंग मिस्टेक और नॉट, वेयर you are standing in this time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Very soon I will meet in another session. Till now, bye bye, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.